Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Minecraft Java on your Android device. Doesn't matter if it's a phone, a tablet, foldable, you can play Minecraft Java. And I will show you real quick that I'm not lying. You can just hop on any server. It's not Minecraft Bedrock, it's not a mod, it's actual Minecraft Java. And you can play anything you like, any world, any server, any version. And today I am going to show you how exactly you do this. So as a very first step, you should know what specs you are dealing with, because not every device will function the same. You know, there are faster, there are slower ones. I tried this on my old tablet with the Snapdragon 865 Plus. It was like the flagship of 2020 and it ran decently fine, I'd say. This device has the top of the line, last year's top of the line 8 Elite with 16 gigabytes of RAM. If you don't know which chip or specs you have, you can look in this device info app or on Geekbench. Geekbench is like the default benchmark app. You can see a device and it says these things, the GPU, you can find out everything. And I would really suggest everyone use a Snapdragon device. It is possible on Exynos or MediaTek, but the experience will suffer because Adreno GPUs are better. In this video I will only show how to run the game, not with Sodium or Vulkan mod. If you want to run Vulkan at all, you really need an Adreno GPU from your Snapdragon device, and a decently fast one too. Now that we have this out of our way, I will show you which app we are talking about. It's the Amethyst Android launcher. It's based on the old PoJav launcher, but the project is dead. And I noticed the performance of Amethyst is actually really good. So you need to download, not from the Play Store but from GitHub. The link will be on the description. Right here on the Nightly link you can do the automatic builds, but Nightly is, I guess, more stable. It will download a file, it's right here. It takes a little while and I will see you when we install it. Now that our file is downloaded, open your file explorer of choice. I'm using Google Files because I think this is the best one. And you have the zip file right here. You need to click on it and extract it. And then delete this. You don't need it anymore. Boom. This right here, you don't need it as well. You can move it in the trash. This app you need to install. For me, I have to update it because it's already installed. Just hit on, it's the same button and it's installed. Now for the next step, if you don't own Minecraft already, you need to buy it, of course. It's not piracy, I don't support it, for this game at least. Just hop in the link I have in the description, buy the standard edition. You don't need this, you don't want to play Bedrock edition, it's little garbage, you don't want it. So next, you need to open the freshly installed Amethyst app. And with the Microsoft account you connected, mine is already connected, you can add it here. You can just play Minecraft. If you install the app first, you need to enable your notifications. I already did it for mine. And now we need to match these settings. It's very important. If you don't play with shaders, you can put it to max. If you have a weak device, don't do it. But Minecraft is not very GPU intensive. It doesn't matter if I'm playing at the lowest resolution or my tablet does go very high to 2400 pixels. No frame drops. It's literally the same experience. If I play with shaders, it's good to go to 1080p or lower. You will get a massive frame boost, of course. And you need to match these settings. This one right here you can enable. My tablet doesn't throttle, it has a very good cooling system thanks to OnePlus engineering. If you have like a Samsung tablet, just turn it on. Now the render settings, just pause and match them. It's a good idea. And the next one is the Java runtime tweaker. You don't need launch arguments, it's not very important, at least from my experience. And on this one you don't have to click at all, it just works for me. Just match these settings, I think these are default settings. Now you need to see how much RAM your device has. You can go into settings and see how much RAM is free and then just fill it in for Minecraft. If you have a device with very low RAM, try to go to 4 gigs. If it doesn't work, close all apps. If it still doesn't work, go lower. It could crash if your device runs out of memory. Of course, it will crash. Going above 4 gigabytes will do nothing for performance, except if you have very large mod packs, but we will just talk about running Minecraft. Now, you just go to this right here, match these settings. If you have a Snapdragon chip older than the Snapdragon 8 Elite, for example the 8 Plus Gen 3, you can turn this off. Sadly, Turnip is supported for the new Adreno GPUs, but the devs didn't add it. So if you use Vulkan mod and you have 8 Elite, 8 Elite Gen 5 or 8 Gen 5, you need to turn it off, sadly. And last of all, experimental stuff. Just enable this one right here. You don't need to enable right now, but for the next tutorial I will show you how to run Sodium. If you turn it on, you need to solve a little math equation to show that you are not very dumb. I think it's a great solution. Before you needed actually a mod called Podium. You could play Sodium before. But yeah, right now you can just hop in the game. It's defaulting to 1.7.10. But you can just create a new profile. You can create vanilla, fabric, whatever. I'd really recommend the newest version. It is right here. Right here. It has increased my performance very, very much. Even without mods, even with mods. But right now we are just looking at the default installation, 1.7.10. Oh, and before I forgot it, you can also just create an Optifine profile, but just do it for old versions. I did it for like a iPixel install. It doesn't make much sense to use Optifine anymore. Right now we will see what Minecraft looks like in 1.7.10. Loads up very quick. You have these little buttons right here. If you press in this corner, you can hide them. I would really play with mouse and keyboard. And right here you can hop in any server you like. I will hop in here. I have added it. I don't know why. Really low settings for some reason. But yeah, this is just normal Minecraft Java. You can play it as you like. Everything works, very simple. And as I said, I will do another tutorial showing how to play modern versions with Sodium. It's a bit longer, it's a bit more complicated. So if you like this video, just comment. Maybe you have questions. I will try to support you. Yeah, see you in the next video, I guess.